If you're tired of creating email marketing campaigns with low open rates and conversion rates, there's one tool that can take all your email marketing campaigns from 0 to 100 under 30 days. And in this video, I'm going to share it with you. So why is Selzy over other email marketing platforms? First, is very affordable, and they lower the barrier of entry. With a free account, you have access to over 2,000 contacts and 10,000 emails per month. And if you choose to upgrade to a paid plan, can start with as low as $7 per month. The second reason is that it's the most flexible email marketing builder in the market right now. You have access to pre-made templates to make your life easy and to launch a marketing campaign in 15 minutes. Selzy also has an AI assistant who is always available to generate high-converting email copies for your business. Finally, Selzy has a team that will guide you in every step of your journey, and you have access to a library of webinars to help you create a successful email marketing campaign. So to get started, go to your browser, visit selzy.com. Start for free. It's simple and easier to register. You can either choose to continue with your Google account or sign up with an email. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. Pick an account that you want to integrate with Selzy, and that is it. It is very easy to sign up. Once you're done with your registration, you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this. So let's explore the dashboard. Towards your left, you have all the necessary items you need to run a successful email marketing campaign. You have access to your contacts, all your contacts, your list and your tools, and your segment, audience segmentation. You also have access to your campaigns, your history campaigns, your emails, your A/B tests, or your templates. You can also connect Selzy to your Telegram account. You have access to your automation, you have access to tools. I'm talking about analytics, subscription forms, unsubscribe pages, and the likes. Then chatbots, and then integration. You can use Selzy to integrate with so many platforms. You have TikTok, you have WooCommerce, you have Wix, JotForm, Webflow, Zoho, Facebook, Shopify, HubSpot, Airtable, Google Sheets, Salesforce, and WordPress. So you can integrate a lot of tools with Selzy. Towards your right hand side, you can upgrade to a paid plan, but don't do that yet. Instead, come here and upgrade to a free plus plan. This gives you access to 2,000 contacts and 10,000 emails per month, absolutely free. All you need to do is to verify your Stripe account and connect it to Selzy. That's all you need to do. And you have access to over 2,000 contacts and then 10,000 emails per month, absolutely free. So let's create an email marketing campaign. First, you want to import your contacts. If you are using Selzy for the first time, you need to have a contact you can import to your dashboard. So I'm going to import contacts. So you can only upload formats of CSV, TXT, XLS, and it cannot be more than 20 MB. So take note of that. And also come here to learn how to import contacts. So I'm going to click on upload a file. I already have a file somewhere, Selzy. Tests. Yeah. Click on continue. Select a list. Is either you create a new list or you select an existing list. So my first list. Under here, you can add a tab that you can use in the future to understand how your imported contacts are opening their emails. I'm going to add imports. So click on import. It's as simple as that. So you're going to come here, click campaign, create campaign. So you can choose an email design. You can either start from scratch with a builder or code email with the HTML editor. Test and write your own email code. If you come here, you're going to see a lot of templates. So you select all templates. You have access to a library of 237 templates you can select from, ranging from small businesses, e-commerce, the food industry, the hiking industry, whatever niche you play in. So go through all these templates and pick what works for you. So I'm going to click on design email. So this is the subject, which is hey, it's ghosts. Yeah. Pre-header, this is what they see before they open the email. Don't be scared. So once you're left, you can see how this looks on your desktop and on your mobile view. Towards your right, you have access to a lot of things you can use: images, here image, text, header, button, spacer, list, divider, social media, table, countdown, video, a lot of things you can use. So I'm just going to add a text. I like to keep my email very simple and straight to the point. You don't need to design a lot of things unless you are running an e-commerce business. So I already have an email written down somewhere. I'm going to go to my Trello dashboard, find out an email I can use. Okay, let's look at this email. Okay. I'm going to just copy this. We'll go back to Selzy. So you can choose to do a lot of things. You can bold. You can do a lot of things here. So you can come towards the right. You can change the font. You can use serif, whatever you want to use. You can increase the size. You can change the color of this text. You can choose to centralize the text or justify it. You can add a button here. You can insert a link to your website. Come. You can change the color of the button. Play around with the borders. The border radius, you can choose this to 20. Another good feature about Selzy is their AI assistant. This is going to help you generate email copies, email headlines, and anything you need about email marketing. So I'm going to come here. This is the button, AI assistant. Over here, click on AI assistant. This is where you are going to type in your prompt. Let's say I want to generate an headline for this email. So I'm going to come here. Act as an expert email copywriter and generate 5 email headlines with eye open rates. for this copy. So I'm going to come here and copy this. I'll select everything and copy. Then come back here and then paste. So I'll click on send and it's going to generate. You see? Right on it says key a true series from first date, first jobs, locking your potential together. So this AI assistant can help you craft email copies, craft email outlines that you can use to test for your email campaigns. So once you are done, just click on continue and then send the message. Selzy is the best tool for automating your business. So you need to try Selzy today. There is a link in the description of this video. Use that link to register and get a percentage off your registration fee. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.